Hey yo, listen up. Future ready, everyone's distracted. It's time for me to give some much needed shout outs to those people who were down since day one. Sharon, AJ, E. My mom, Carmela. What's up, Joe? Jared and his family. What's up, Kat? What's up, E? What's up, Jong? Much love. Shout out to Claro and his family. To my 1766 crew. What up, Chris? What up, Will? What's up, Ed? What's up, Jermaine? What's up, Texas? And if you don't know, I'm down with Seco. Elena, what's up, Elena? Howard L. What's up, Miss Cha-Cha? Joey E, the Dean. The design thinker herself, Jen GS. What up, Dr. Shar? Jerome B, what up, brother? I want to give a shout out to the Grand Brainiac Lee out in North Carolina. What's up? To my CES, SHB, and SSH family. What's up? To my new homies, SFHS. What's up? What's up to the STC crew? Miss y'all. To my new homie, what's up, Brianna, the questioner? Gilly D. Alan, Marv, miss y'all. To my CEO family, to my Sword Brothers, the CEO family, what's up? What up, Alex? What up, Mike? What's up, Joselito? Special shout out to Rob, miss you, man. To Chris Doe, Pat Flynn Industries, Steal Like an Artist like Austin Kleon, The One Thing, Gary Keller, Stephen Pressfield, The War of Art, Chris Voss, The Negotiator, Brian Bullock, Building a Legacy. What up, Dubs? To the EG families out here, making our lives much better. To the old Perina crew, what up? Special shout out to the ones we lost. My grandmother. What up, Rob? Norma, miss you. To Keegan and to Alakheim. We'll see each other someday. To my family, both sides, miss you guys. Hope to see you soon. And for those who I forgot, I'll get y'all next time. Be grateful, reconnect with loved ones, friends, make new ones, and get yours. Peace.